All right, folks, in his Monday note, my next guest actually warned that stocks had turned sloppy and were likely to continue to consolidate and correct. Joining me now, Crossmark Global CEO and CIO, Bob Dahl, in studio. Bob, it's so great having you in studio.
Ditto.
All right, let's do this. Let's bring up some of your observations that you had in this note here.
Okay.
Powell hawkish, consumers healthy, excess savings dwindling, for some gone, soft landing unlikely. Let's start with the soft landing part, because you didn't have a lot of folks, maybe one day when you published this, I would have said, on the street, 98% would disagree with you. I think that needle's starting to move a little bit.
Absolutely right. People are saying, well, maybe the perfect environment isn't going to happen.
Right.
And today's report was perfect for that.
Right.
Growth less than expected, inflation more than expected. Now what do we do?
Right.
So we're going to have earnings shortfalls, interest rates higher for longer, and multiples are high. Put those three things together. That's not great news for the stock market.
The markets I don't think we could say price for perfection, but for near
Pretty
perfection.
close.
Right, for near perfection. The consumer healthy, but one thing that you and Victoria, you guys always talk about is the bifurcation, right? There's not just one singular consumer, and you've already pointed out that some consumers have been unhealthy for a while.
Sad but true. Having struggled through keeping their job, maybe problems with wage increases, but now we're seeing they're tapping their credit cards, and some evidence they're even going into their 401ks. That's not sustainable, not good news.
Powell hawkish. He doesn't want to be hawkish.
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't want to be hawkish. I really feel in his heart and soul he wants this soft landing more than anyone, particularly after the transitory thing. How does he express it? Because even the last time he stepped up that we've heard from him, he still sort of alluded that the next move would be cuts.
Right, and that's still, in my view, the most likely. But you've had the three CPIs that are disappointing in a row. You get the PCE today, as you mentioned earlier. Right. He's going to have to wait for a while and, pray for some good luck to be able to lower rates anytime soon.
Equity risk premium down here at levels we haven't seen. I mean, we'll go back 2 decades. What does this mean? Is this just, for you, what does this mean? Like the risk you take, is it too much risk to own stocks right now?
It's too much risk if you're expecting to get a double-digit return like so many have gotten the last 10 years. What this tells you is long-term returns are likely to be a lot lower. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but maybe 5% for the next 5 years for stocks.
So your conclusion in your note, relatively long, but we prefer stocks with strong earnings predictability, strong earnings persistence, and strong free cash flow. That's I guess the good news is that it's not hard it's getting easier to find them because they're starting to stand out in the crowd.
Exactly right. And for a while, everything was going up, especially the Magnificent Seven. Then you got the broadening in the market. But if we're going to question growth and we're worried about inflation, strong earnings predictability, strong earnings persistence, free cash flow, that should keep you out of some trouble.
All right. I want to ask you about one other thing, Bob. Faith-based investing.
Oh, yes.
This is your firm does faith-based investing. And the growth has been magnificent, absolutely magnificent. And it makes me feel good because overall belief or faith in this country has been on the decline for a few decades.
Sad but true.
What differentiates faith-based investing from any other type?
It allows an individual or a financial advisor or an institution to say, I want to line up all of my life with my faith, including my investments. And as that light bulb's going on, we're seeing more and more people saying, can you do this for me? It's only a small piece of the money management business, but as you pointed out, it's growing, and we at Crossmark.
It's up like 7 years in a row, right?
7 years in a row. We think this will be the 8th that gains share.
At the top, you've got the Christian, Baptist, Catholic, biblical. Example, tobacco stocks. Would you own a tobacco stock?
For anybody who's screening for these things, we don't own tobacco. Companies that make products that harm people, not going to go there. My universe is the Russell 1000, 1,000 companies. There are 44 that we won't own because they have tobacco-like aspects to them.
Bob, you're a legend, man.
All the best.
I'm glad you're here.
Good to see you.
All right, see you soon.